the ATM, plus another $3 because of airport fee.
I'm back and I am looking classy.
Alright, I'm back, y'all. By the way, I got these glasses for 99 cents from H&M. You know, you go to a little clearance rack. Here, those glasses I got. I had to come over here looking professional. I had to tell y'all about my little trip to Atlanta. Yeah, went on a trip to Atlanta for a seminar, real estate seminar. Took hella notes. It's the notes right here. Hella notes. And I felt like I needed to come on here and tell y'all about it. Cause, like I said, black people, we need to at least owning some stuff. Period. Poo. So, I want to break this down. First I'm going to show you some clips from when I went to Atlanta. And I'll be right back. In the airport. Me and Brittany got 2 different flights. I don't know how that happened, but I told her about my flight and then she ended up on American, I ended up on Delta. But it is what it is right now. I'm waiting for my flight. Fucking airport charged me $3 to use the ATM, plus another $3 because of airport fee. That's crazy. Anyway, eat my Chick-fil-A and my Starbucks. I'm probably gonna be all over the place. So I'm gonna make it through. Now I'm just waiting to board. Like, here they are. We are in the hotel, getting our lives together. About to go get something to eat. Uh-oh.
I'm back.
Brittany's back. But they already knew that. They know you was picking me up because I don't know how to drive. So, Brittany's back. We out here in these streets, living our best life. About to go eat something because I'm starving. Lip gloss popping. Lip liner, but lip gloss is popping. We see y'all when we go get this food because I'm starving.
Doing both? Everybody ready? Yes! Amazing! And then we got 1 gift card. You know what's
So I'm back. I'm just gonna give you some tips on buying a home. Me currently, I don't have a home yet, but I'm speaking into existence. And I'm just gonna give you some things that I've learned going to the seminar and just a little bit of things that I know. Number 1 thing I've learned before the seminar was save your money. I'm gonna come up here with 5 tips. 5 tips on how to get closer to owning your own real estate, your own house to flip, your own house just to live in, your own thing. Things that I know that I can help with to help you out here and there, you know? Number 1, save. My 5 tips. Save your money. If you ain't got a good job, you still can save money. I don't want to hear I got a good job, I can't save no money. Yes, you can. You can save money. You don't need a Starbucks. Go to Dunkin' Donuts. You don't need Dunkin' Donuts. Make it in your house. Alright? Alright. I'm just talking because that's me. You know? I ain't gonna talk about that. That ain't me. You know? Just save your money. Little things here and there. $20 every check. Everything counts. Everything counts. Step 2. Credit. Period, poo. Fix your credit, poo. Do what you gotta do. Pay them cards off. Don't use those cards. Don't use those cards. I know you want Gucci, Prada. You can get those things still, but just budget your money right. You ain't got to get a new bag every other week. Get it once a year. Treat yourself, but don't defeat yourself. Cool? Period. All right. You can apply for loans like FHA Loan. All you need is 3.5% down closing costs, and you only need a credit score of 580. 580, boo. That's nothing. And it's plenty of resources out there to help you get a loan. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can go for getting a home that's on auction. You can go for a conventional loan if you had an FHA loan already. It's a whole list of stuff, but you gotta do your research. Do your research. This is the reason why I went to the seminar. So you gotta do your research. Copy. Tip number 3. Get you a realtor. Once you get that loan, get you a realtor. They say, like, people were like, do I really need a realtor to, like, find me a house? I can just find my house on Zillow or, what's that, Redfin? Or, I can go online. I can go to these different open houses. The realtor gonna have way more stuff than these websites that be like, oh, this house that. And sometimes you'll go on the website and they'll say something totally different from what the realtor is saying. And then you go to the house and say something, oh, totally different. So you gotta do your research. Once again, do your research. Because they will try to play you. Because one time, I seen a house online. I think it was on Zillow. And then I went to the open house. And then the realtor, she didn't even know the square footage of the house. First of all, I don't know how people begin their job sometimes. But that's another story. She didn't know the square footage from what Zillow was saying. What she was saying was 2 different things. So you just got to find. And if you had your own realtor, if I had my own realtor, I could have just been like, sir, ma'am, what is this? They would have had all the facts, you know? They got all the facts. They got extra facts that we don't got. Resources out there, like, you know, ways to, like, get a home for cheaper. Like, if you're a police officer, teacher, firefighter, they got this program. HUD got this program where you can get your house for, like, half the mortgage. Like, they got Habitat for Humanity. You can get your house for, you live a certain, make a certain amount. There's so many ways to get a home. There's so many ways to get, like, free down payments. And you just gotta really do your research, because I didn't know about all these things until I started doing my own research. I didn't learn about certain things until after I went to the seminar, and then I used that knowledge that I learned from there and started doing my own research. Because you gotta do your own research, sis. You can't always depend on everybody to tell you stuff, because they're not gonna always tell you the right thing, and you gotta know for yourself, you know? So once you find your realtor, y'all gonna go view the property. Right? If you like the property, you put in an offer. This all goes under realtor. Then there's money you gotta put up called earnest money. You gotta look this stuff up. I didn't know nothing about this. Then you negotiate that 10% of the sales price. The realtor sends the contract. Then the next thing is due diligence. Then you gotta do home inspection, check for termites. They had another FHA loan called the 203K FHA loan. That's a loan where first-time home buyers, yeah, you still put in that 3.5 down payment, but they also give you money towards fixing your house up. So if you got a house that you found and it's not the best house on the block, but it's like, you know, it's in your price range, you can use that money to help flip that house or put the money towards that house. You gotta stay in the house for a year till you can turn it into a conventional loan. And then, don't let me tell y'all this info. Y'all better come correct. I'm learning like y'all learning. I might be a little wrong on certain aspects, but I'm just telling you what I've learned so far. You know what I'm saying? And if I'm wrong, you can correct me in the comments. That's perfectly fine. We're going to learn together. Turn your home or turn that house into property where you can, like, make apartment style things going on. So you can have that passive income, because, you know, multiple incomes. We calling on that. Lord, is what we need. Multiple incomes. Like, you can't survive on one income nowadays. You got to have multiple. If that's what you're trying to do, you need a lawyer. A lawyer for your real estate property. Where you can turn your real estate to LLC and all this extra stuff. And you got to get titles and all this contracts, purchase price. It's a lot. So do your research on LLCs, okay? It comes in handy when you're trying to own multiple apartment complexes, or you can make your home you can buy a duplex and make your home, you know, multiple. You can rent it out. You're not supposed to do that with the FHA loan, but yeah. When you turn that to conventional LLC, it's all in the same category. So get you a lawyer. Flipping. Flipping. That's when auction.com comes in handy. They have a website called auction.com. I'm giving you a lot of tips that when I went to the conference I learned about. I'm not giving you everything because honestly it was so much information and I wish I sucked in more, because they were really posting a lot of things on their board and on this big massive screen information. I was trying to take pictures. There's a lot of information, so I'm just giving y'all dibbles and dabbles of what I learned when I was there. You ain't know about the turn up. Sometimes you gotta learn some things, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so number 5, you might, like I said, 203K loan. You can use that to flip the house. That house may just need a new bathroom. It may just need a kitchen. It may just need a new living room, or, you know, certain thing, or roof, or certain things that's important. You gotta have an inspector. They're gonna come and look at it and then tell you what you need, and then it's gonna put value in your house. So it doesn't hurt to get a 203K loan, FHA 203K loan, because that's the same thing. FHA and 203K is the same thing. You can either get an FHA, just regular home loan for a first-time home buyer, or you can get an FHA 203K, which is when they give you extra money so you can flip, not really flip your house, but you flipping it, but according to you and the bank, you just fixing your house up, you know. But it's gonna gain more equity in that house. You're gonna gain more money into that house over the years, you know what I'm saying? So many ways to capitalize off owning a home. That's what the whole seminar I got from it. Ways of capitalizing from owning a home. Like, people always need somewhere to live. People always need somewhere to live. People like, oh, real estate, I'm gonna be a real estate agent, I'm gonna take the test. And honestly, you just gotta do your own research. You gotta like really learn for yourself. You know what I'm saying? It's so much free information. Google is a real thing. YouTube is a real thing. It is so much information online. This seminar was great. It was great. I would never downplay this seminar. It really opened me up to learning so much more about the real estate business and flipping and dipping and all types of things. And also, social media is a great tool. I use social media as a tool to learn a lot of things too as well. There's so many people out here trying to make it, and if we do it together, it gotta work. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, y'all for coming back to my channel, chilling with me, learning with me, get with it, get lost. You know what I'm saying? Y'all like my little glasses from H&M? It's a Zola. I look real smart, Zona. Comment down below if you got any more tips for anybody else. Let's learn together. I want my channel to be a learning experience, not only here in beauty, but also just knowledge. Like, us women have to have a lot of knowledge, because we gotta make it in these streets. We gotta make it. Can't always depend on no man to make it, alright? Only Jesus. Deuces, y'all. Like, subscribe, click that thumbs up. Like. If y'all want more videos like this, learning together. If I learn some different tips, come at me.